I am pretty sure you guys think about, should I tell other people about my diagnosis of Parkinson's disease? This is our topic today. My name is Dr. Zayas. I am a neurologist specialized in movement disorders. Well, let me start saying that this is a very difficult question to answer, and it's actually a personal decision. It depends on many factors. Number one, your background, your culture, your personality, your current general health state, the other diseases that you have around you. So it's not the same thing having a patient just with Parkinson's disease and a patient with Parkinson's disease and lung cancer. It's different. The prognosis is different. The need for help is totally different. These are the things that many people with Parkinson's start thinking when they are undecided about telling family, coworkers about the diagnosis of Parkinson's disease. There are many others, but this is mostly a summary. Number one, they're concerned about children. Obviously, I do not want to cause more stress on my children. This is a very common phenomenon. Number two, I cannot explain my symptoms well. Another one is they don't know what to expect. They don't know the prognosis. Some of them, they don't want the boss or supervisor to know. They don't want to lose the job, right? Sometimes they think, I do not want to be left out. I do not want people to treat me differently or feel sorry for me. This is a very common one. I just want to forget I have Parkinson's disease and move on. Telling people make it real. Should I tell my spouse about my diagnosis? Well, I don't think there is no way around here. Why is that? Because I believe if you are hiding something like this to your husband, to your wife, you are probably with the incorrect person. And I understand there are different opinions about this. There is nothing specific here and every situation is different. But I strongly believe that your spouse should know and should be the first to know. In my experience, spouses already suspect the diagnosis. Remember, Dr. Google is available. Dr. YouTube is available. There is a plenty of information available for people to know about diagnosis. So most likely they already suspect. Another question, very important. Should I tell my children about my diagnosis? Totally different situation. And again, it depends on many factors. Number one, the maturity, the age, personality traits. If I have Parkinson, I will tell my teenager daughter about my diagnosis as soon as possible. There are many reasons for that. One of them actually is they will be able to understand why I cannot smile like before, why I have this look of kind of being mad, lack of facial expression. They will understand that this is part of the motor symptoms. Last question, and probably the most important one. Should you tell your coworkers or supervisor about your diagnosis? Well, this is going to create a lot of anxiety. And remember, you with Parkinson's disease, you are susceptible to have anxiety. There is a presumed chemical reason for that, plus the situation. Before making this important decision, just think about, ask yourself about these few questions. Number one, do you have disability insurance? This is a plus, very important. Are there protection that will prevent you from being pushed out? Are your skills unique? And be honest with you about this question. Be realistic. You need to know what is the financial situation of the company or institution that you are working. Do you know? Are there a culture of flexibility in your institution? Any history of prior situations similar to your situation? These all are important questions to answer. You need to know about this. Sometimes this is very, very, very complex and you need the help of a professional. And when I say a professional, I'm talking about of a lawyer, attorney, specialized in these issues. So employment law attorney is the way to go. And in other words, this is somebody, is a lawyer specialized in disability and workplace issues. Tough questions, but you need to know your rights. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.